Good morning, my name is Mary Godoy. I'm a 5th grade teacher here at Romolan Elementary in the Romolan School District. About 4 years ago, our district embarked on a journey to learn about blended learning. And this was under the direction of our former EdTech coach, Sanu Patel. And I was really fortunate enough to learn and lead through her direction. What blended learning allows students to do is to take control of their path at their own pace. And as a former second grade teacher, I really saw this as a transformational tool for my second graders. And even though they were in second grade, I think one of the most amazing compliments that I would always get is how engaged my students were. The types of tasks that I was able to produce for them and they were able to create were really outlined by the practices within the blended learning pedagogy. And I was able to do it through station rotation. And now that I'm in 5th grade, I see the same thing at a different level. And the really great thing is that I have some of my former second grade students who are now 5th grade students, and they are constantly referring back to our second grade year and saying, "Hey, Mrs. Godoy, I remember when we did this and how we did," and their knowledge of Google products, of technology tools is just amazing. And our 5th grade group is truly leading in our school with their knowledge of technology, but also their academic achievement. One of the things that I would say is we have amazing teachers in our district who are also practicing blended learning models in their classrooms. And, I would keep in touch with Heather Hilt. She's our current EdTech coach, and follow her, and she will connect you with those awesome teachers. I hope that I was able to share some of my knowledge with you, and I wish you the best of luck in your journey. Bye.